What if I tell you that you just have to invest 50 rupees in an online game and you will get double the amount? At this time, you will think that is a good idea. We just have to earn money just by playing games. I will join that. This is the huge and the biggest mistake which is done by most of the Indians. Yes, I'm talking about the online rummy games, which has so many foul plays, which has so many scams, where so many frauds happen. So in today's video, I'm going to expose all that techniques which they use in order to get this rummy game going. You might also see several ads, like wherever you click on your mobile phone, the pop-up ads just come up, and then Virat Kohli will come and then he will suggest you to download this app so that you can earn money online, and then Tamanna Bhatia will come, and then so many other supermodels will come and tell you to download this app and earn money. But the reality is they themselves won't play this kind of games. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you what are the techniques which they use to keep this game going and how we are getting addicted to this game. So if you really want to know about it, please do watch this video till the end. So if we don't stop all these scams or frauds right now, we might lose a life, just like the person who lost his life, which I'm gonna tell further. So if you really want to know about that, please make sure that you subscribe my channel and like this video also, and share this video with people, because you can save a life by doing this, by letting the people know about these kind of frauds or scams. So hello there, what's up people, it's me Jaya. You're watching me on the Expound. Let's get into the video. So now let me just tell you how the system works and how they manipulate us to play this game. So normally, I hope that you might have played chess games or several games where the system will be designed like medium, tough, easy. So there will be 3 other levels. You can choose whichever level you want. So at this time, do you know that if you select easy, obviously you will win, because the system is designed in that way that the system should make several mistakes so that the person can win. That is the reason why you are easily winning in the easy mode. But when you actually keep it in a difficult mode, how much ever moves you make, even though if you are a champion in it, you will not win, because the system is told to not make any mistakes at that point of time. It's just like a calculator. You can just check that you cannot calculate all the numbers, and even though if you calculate all the huge numbers, your answer might be wrong. But in calculator, it never makes that kind of mistakes, because the system is designed in that specific way. So even this rummy game is designed in that specific way. So normally when you are playing in an initial stage, you might have noticed that you kept on winning, which means your amount is small. The amount which you are investing it might be 500 or thousands. So when you are investing 100 rupees, you might get double the amount or more than 100 rupees, because this rummy online game is global. Everybody is playing it, so that a 200 amount or 1000 rupees amount which you are winning doesn't matter to them. But if you are investing huge amount of money, that is 1 lakh or 2 lakh, that is the time where they show their capabilities of making people fool. So obviously when you're investing a huge amount, the system is designed that way that you should lose in it. How much ever investment you make, how much ever huge investment you make, you will not get it back. And people say that it's all about skills. If you know how to play, you can just get money from this. That is totally a myth. That might be true for initial stage, that is when you're beginning it. But when you are reaching a certain level, this might not suit. So we are literally playing with the system generated stuffs. People say that you are playing with the people, among the people. You're not playing with the system. But how do we know that we are playing with the people but not the system? There will be some robots also who might be playing, because when you're playing with someone, you might not have the contact number, you might not know them. So there is a huge chance, or there is a huge possibility that the person might be the system person. And also sometimes there will be people who will play by joining groups. That is, you tell me what cards do you get, so according to that I will give you. So they will literally make plans behind, and then they'll come to play this game. So when they are literally showing the card, when the opposite person know what is in the card, obviously he can win. So this is all a thing which is system generated. I don't want you guys to be fooled from this. And now you might even ask me that the information which you are giving might not be true, because I have seen myself that my friends were winning, that they were gaining money from it. But I know that you can get the money and all. But have you ever asked them that how much money they have lost in that? Even though if you get some amount of money, it will be lesser than your investment. So I hope that you would have gotten a clear idea about what I am trying to say. Now I can just prove it to you just by giving you a real life example which just happened. So normally you can see this guy, he used to live in Chennai and he used to work in an IT company. He used to earn more than 1 lakh in a reputed IT company. But during this lockdown, he just saw this advertisement from the mobile phone or from the television that Khelo Rummy, Jeeto Ek Cash and all that. So he downloaded the app. He started winning the game also. He started getting more amount of money also from this. But when the amount started increasing, he came to know that all the money is going somewhere. It's not coming back to me. So at that time, he lost all the money and he took his own life. And another example, this guy, he used to run a mobile shop, and during this lockdown, his mobile shop was shut down, and at this time, he started playing this Rummy online, and at this time, he lost all the money that he took 30 lakh as a loan or borrowing from his friends and his relatives. He invested, he lost the game, and he lost his life also. So when he actually went to suicide, he sent his wife a voice message telling that I don't know how it's getting me addicted. I'm totally addicted to it. I don't know how I start playing in this game. So this is totally addicted. And also he tells his wife that if you want to do me a favor, please do it. That is, make sure that there is no ad campaigns running on this Rummy Circle, or there should not be any other online platform which can fool the people and take all the money from the people. So at this time, I literally got goosebumps, and I thought that how is this even possible? Like, how can you even trust this Rummy Circle and invest a huge amount of money? I know that you will literally get addicted to it. So if you are really in need of cash, you can do several other jobs. I can even made several other videos where you can earn job without certificate, easiest job if you speak English. So if you watch that video, you will get a little bit of idea about how you can earn money online, but without getting into these kind of games, by earning for your skills. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, please make sure you like this, subscribe this, and comment down your opinion about this video. I'm sure that you might have something to tell. If you have, please drop it in the comment. Thank you so much. Until the next video. Bye.